Hi everyone! Today we're going to implement subsurface scattering in Unreal Engine using a pre-integrated BRDF lookup texture. Start by downloading the BRDF texture using the link in the description. Once it's ready, drag it into your Unreal Engine content browser to import it. This texture simulates how light scatters beneath the skin by pre-computing color transitions unique to human skin. Now, open the mobile skin material you've been working on. In the Material Editor, add a texture parameter sample node and assign the BRDF texture in the Details panel. Next, use a MakeFloat2 node to combine the U and V coordinates, then connect it to the UV input of the texture sample. We are going to use the light intensity as the U coordinate and a custom parameter called BRDF bots-phi, which controls skin thickness, as the V coordinate. After wiring that up, take a look at the material in the viewport. You might notice that some shadowed areas look unnaturally bright. This happens because the texture is tiling outside of the intended range. To fix it, open the BRDF texture asset and change the tiling method for both the X and Y axes to clamp. Once you do that, the shading will appear correct. Now, to adjust the skin thickness in real time, create a material instance and apply it to the character. By adjusting the BRDFV parameter, you'll notice that the closer the value is to 1, the skin appears thicker, and the subsurface scattering effect fades away. On the other hand, the closer the value is to 0, the skin looks thinner, enhancing the scattering effect. Midtones between light and shadow become naturally tinted with a reddish tone. And that's it! Now, you'll see soft red tones in shadowed areas. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.